Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. It's Thursday, November the 10th. I've got two press releases for you. As always, quality over quantity. I really like these. First up, Castle Resources Venture Exchange, CRI, announced headline: they continue to intersect high-grade copper across a 1.2-kilometer strike length. This at their Grand Duke copper project in BC. The company says this is the fourth positive set of drill core assays from this recently completed 30,000-meter surface exploration program. I love that. Here's some of the highlights. I'm going to give you a great quote. 15 meters, 1.91% copper. 18 meters, 1.58% copper. The company says the results are currently being entered into an updated 43-101 resource estimate to be published in January 2012. So great numbers, and they're updating a 43-1 that they already have, and it's coming out in about in a couple of months. I like that. This is something you got to put on your radar screen. I also like the fact that Mike Silvestri, the president and CEO, had a great quote. I wish more officers at these small caps would do this because a lot of times the data, people aren't sure what to make of it because there's so many different factors that go just beyond the intersect, and we need some of these guys to put these things in perspective. So this is what he had to say. These new assay results continue to demonstrate the continuity of high-grade copper mineralization along a kilometer-plus strike. Not only are these impressive results, those are his words, adding value to a growing database of assays that confirm copper mineralization extends 600 meters to the south of the historic mine workings, but they also clearly demonstrate that there's a strong possibility of discovering significant additional resources down dip. I like that. He used a lot of great words there: impressive, significant, additional, a lot of great context to really tell us how the company feels about these results. I think that's really, really important. They own 100% of this past-producing Grand Duke copper mine. They closed yesterday 50 cents, 95 on the 52-week high, 34 on the low. Nice news there. More next up, Timberline Resources, TSX Venture, TBR, amex, TLR for our friends in the U.S., announced that they've extended their high-grade zone. Here, the intersect is 15.8 meters, 14.6 grams per ton of gold. Pretty big. The company says these are results from continued drilling and successful drilling from its 50,000-foot underground core drill program. 50,000 feet, again, that's unbelievable. This gold project is located in southwestern Montana. Paul Dirksen, President CEO, also had a quote. Again, I like this. He says, these are exceptional results that extend the deposit while improving the quality and reliability of our geologic model and our mine model as we move toward production. See, again, fantastic context summed up by a high-ranking officer of the company, especially for guys like me who are maybe discovering Timberline for the first time. He's called the results exceptional. That means, he's putting his money where his mouth is, and he's also letting us know that they're moving towards production. So that's fantastic. This drill program was designed, as you can guess, for production planning purposes. 15 distinct intervals grading in excess of 3.4 grams ton of gold were identified within the 6 holes reported today, so go take a look at those. The company owns a 50% carry to production interest in this Butte Highlands joint venture, where gold production is slated to commence in early 2012. I love that. 66 cents is the last close, 52 on the low, $1.30 on the 52-week high, and a $36.5 million market cap. I got to tell you, those numbers interest me. I'm going to be taking a closer look. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 2 great press releases for you. But if you look for more great resources news and you're watching this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to see the small cap resource companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you look for great small caps in general and you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.